Hello everyone, I welcome you to the Breaking Science channel. Okay, let's get to it. So, there's this virus called HIV that can make you really sick and it can stay in your body forever. It can hide in special cells, and even though doctors have medicine that can help stop it from spreading, it's still always there. But now, some clever scientists have figured out a way to take a closer look at these sneaky cells and find out what makes them so hard to get rid of. These researchers used a super cool new tool to study the cells from people who have HIV. They found that some of these cells have special markers on their surface that help them hide from the body's defense system, which normally fights off viruses and germs. This is what makes the virus so difficult to cure. The researchers then came up with a new way to look at the cells. They called it phenotypic and proviral sequencing, which sounds fancy, but basically it's like taking a picture of each cell to see what makes them unique. They looked at over 530,000 blood cells and 396,000 cells from the lymph nodes of 5 people who have HIV. What they found was pretty interesting. Some of the cells that had the virus inside of them also had special markers that made it harder for the body's defense system to attack and kill them. They also had something called immune checkpoint markers that limit the virus from spreading. This means that only a small group of cells are really good at hiding from the body's defense system and surviving even with the medicine the doctors give. But the good news is, the body's defense system can still fight off most of the cells. The researchers think that these special markers might be different for each person with HIV, but they still believe that understanding them can help lead to a cure for HIV. By focusing on these markers, they might be able to make the virus easier to fight off and maybe one day cure it for good. So, in conclusion, these clever scientists have taken a big step towards finding a cure for HIV. They found special markers on the cells that help the virus hide from the body's defense system, but they also discovered that the body's defense system can still fight off most of the cells. This is a great step towards a cure, and it's super exciting. Thank you very much for watching. Support the channel with a like and share the news with your friends. See you soon.